Hi, I'm packing for New York and I'm getting so much outfit inspiration. I'm just taking out some things that I plan to wear and things that I have or have never worn, just a mixture of everything, and I'm trying stuff on. It's so much fun. I want to show you. Look at this. This is a J. Crew pizza purse, and then this is Pull and Bear. I love food, and these are some of the foods I love. This one's a taco one. I don't know where that one is from. Well, I got them all on Poshmark, so I'm not sure who made this one. Maybe it was J. Crew as well. Here's my belt fanny pack. You can put it through your belt loops or not. I got this in like 2017 or 18 from ASOS because what I wanted to do was wear it on my motorcycle. And, sorry, the lighting is horrible. I wanted to strap it to me while I drove my motorcycle, and I didn't actually wear it because I was not riding my motorcycle, and now fanny packs are back because the 90s are back and have been since like last year, and now I have this thing. This is how this happens, you guys. All the time, I have trends before they're trendy, just because, not because I'm special, it's because I observe so much. I read fashion magazines and I online shop. Even if I'm not buying anything, I online shop and I find something and I'm like, ooh, this is really cool. Do I think I can pull that off, or I want to pull it off? If you go out and do like research, you're gonna find something that is about to be hot. So that's what happened with fanny packs and a bunch of other things that I have worn. And you know, you don't get credit for this stuff. So I decided to do a little one outfit shoot in my outer porch. I live in a really, really old house. It's probably over 100 years old, and some of it's falling apart, but I really want to show you this outfit. I don't think I'm going to bring it to New York, and it's just so much fun. You're getting a little sneak preview. I have this beautiful halter dress from Express. I believe it's discontinued because your girl likes a sale. Hey, I wanted to say a little something about the outfit planning process, especially going on vacation, but also it applies to everyday life. So I know that it's gonna be really hot the week that we're in Brooklyn, and so I want to be comfortable. I love hot weather, so that's not a problem, but I was just thinking about what can I wear and stay cool, and sometimes more revealing clothes can make someone like me who has gained weight feel uncomfortable. The other day I wore a top that was tight. I like tight fitting tops, but I saw pictures of myself and I was really upset because I thought it showed my fat, we'll just say, and it bothered me. So then I decided for this trip I was only gonna pack loose tops, and so I have obtained some high-waisted pants that go up high enough where I feel like I can confidently wear a crop top and those pants. See how they're high-waisted? First of all, it's 2 sizes bigger than what I normally wear. So that just goes to show, like, I actually comfortably fit in this size. I might be a little bit smaller than this size, but I had to go 2 sizes up because going 1 size up was not enough. And I think it looks great. The point is, when you prioritize comfort and you already want to be confident and looking good, who doesn't? You can find creative ways to dress fashionably, be comfortable, and also add that comfort that you feel that you need as your body changes and goes through different fluctuations. So I am feeling really happy, first of all, that I bought bigger pants, and I'm not packing any jeans whatsoever. I have some jeans in different sizes now, and like one pair that comfortably fits, and the other ones are not the best. I'm really happy because I'm gonna wear these pants, I'm gonna wear dresses, jumpsuits, and I'm gonna wear these elastic white pants that I got from Aerie.
Don't sit and tell me I'm pretty while you sip Jameson.
We're leaving!
Yay!
Till the party ends. You've got a bad reputation, so what? I'm into it. I'm into it. You look like I'm gonna have another drink. You look like you know, but don't say anything. That I try to stay away, avoiding all the pain. But you look like I like it. Yeah, I like it. I like it. You look like I like it. I like it. Yeah, I like it. You look like I like it. Don't grab my hips like it's me, you ain't gonna leave without. Don't look at me like that, make my whole world come melting down. You've got a bad reputation, so what? I like the sound. I like how you sound. You look like I'm gonna have another drink. You look like you know, but don't say anything. That I try to stay away, avoiding all the pain. But you look like I like it. Yeah, I like it. Oh, I like it. You look like I like it. I like it. Yeah, I like it. You look like I like it. I'll probably take this too far, and you'll probably break my heart. But that's okay, 'cause when you kiss me, when you kiss me, you look like I'm gonna have another drink. You look like you know, but don't say anything. That I try to stay away, avoiding any pain. You look like I like it. Yeah, I like it. Oh, I like it. You look like I like it. Oh, I like it. So what? I like it. Oh, yeah, I like it. Baby, I know what you're going through. I'll be waiting up for you all night. Don't think it's too much to ask for. I'm always gonna make sure you're alright. And every time you feel afraid, like the light is far away, I promise, baby, honestly, you'll see. I'll be around when you come down.
We accomplished our trip and we're leaving with the essentials. We have a bunch of bagels and a bunch of croissants from a French place and a baguette. Score of 1 to 5. How was this trip, Ian?
5.
Woo! Hey, so I wanted to say a little something about